Okay, thank you. So, Innerville, namaskar to all. Thank you. I request District Chairman to please wear her collar.
Thank you, Lola.
Meeting call to order. I request Club Secretary Pushpa Patra to recite our Innerville prayer.
Thank you, President. Innerville Namaskar to all. I would request all to raise their right hand in respect of Innerville prayer. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow man, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our batch of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, lighting of lamp. I request Abhishek to put the video of lighting of lamp, please.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. I request a media partner to please put on the photos of the guests with our floral greetings, welcoming them to our webinar. Welcome, Mrs. District Chairman, Mrs. Reena Purohit. Welcome, Mrs. Rashmi Rajya Lakshmi Bhandidev. Namaskar. Innerville Namaskar to all of you. A homemaker is a lady who manages a household of a family, especially as a principal occupation. The responsibilities of this profession of homemaker is endless. It's more spirit elevating and encompasses the overall dignity and personality of women. It is our responsibility to treat every woman, maybe professional or homemaker, respectfully. A homemaker is the influencer in a positive way. As homemaker, we ladies need to put up a positive attitude and constantly strive to give our best effort. This is an unparalleled profession where if somebody puts you down or criticizes you, it doesn't affect much as we believe in ourselves and try to see positiveness in all wrong ways. It's the approach to life that counts. With this positive statement, I welcome all esteemed guests, ladies, to this event. I welcome with humbleness our most promising district chairman of District 326, Mrs. Eena Purohit. Having her in our company is really a great honor. Then to add more feathers to cap, we have our keynote speaker, Her Highness, Mrs. Rasmi Rajya Lakshmi Bhandev. Today, we are privileged to have an opportunity to listen to this special homemaker who happens to be the queen of Mayurbhanj district. We are obliged having her as a keynote speaker today in this event. With this, we also welcome all esteemed District Executive Committee members, District Vice Chairman Mrs. Manisha Srivastavji, District AC Member Mrs. Jagriti Doshiji, District Secretary Mrs. Rashika Bahadurji, District ESO Mrs. Charanjeevi Taiji, District Treasurer Mrs. Sandhya Rani Mishraji, District ISO Mrs. Madhusmita Tripatiji, District Editor Mrs. Anjana Bhamraji, District CCCC Past District Chairman Mrs. Mamta Purohitji, District Webmaster Past District Chairman Mrs. Raj Rupraji, Past Association Secretary Past District Chairman Mrs. Krishna Mahantiji, Galaxy of Past District Chairman of District 326. It is an immense pleasure to welcome all fellow presidents, secretaries of District 326, respected zonal coordinators, and all vibrant members of Innerville District 326. I hereby welcome Rotarian Bindu Das, Rotarian Shamir Mishra, and all fellow Rotarians. I graciously welcome family and friends who joined this webinar. I also welcome First Gentleman of District 326, Mr. Vigneraj Purohit, to a very graceful welcome. Thank you. Now, the purpose of the webinar. I request our bright, knowledgeable Club CCC past President Abha Kanungo to orate the purpose of this webinar. Abhishek, would you please focus on Abha Kanungo ji? Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, President Laura Mitra Ratha, for your beautiful expression of myself. Warm inner wheel greetings to all. Respected President Laura Mitra Ratha, the very dynamic and wings flying high District Chairman, Madam Ira Purohit, all the honorable District EC members present, all the members of different inner wheel clubs of District 3 to 6, fellow Rotarians, the chief guest and keynote speaker of this evening, Madam Queen Princess Srimati Rashmi Rajya Lakshmi Bhanjdeo of Mayurbhanj. The topic for this seminar, homemaker, a profession unparalleled, is quite controversial and rings a bell in the ears and would certainly raise eyebrows. We are not here on a battlefield with swords drawn against each other, the homemaker and the working woman who earns for a living. Both are the two sides of the same coin, and it is almost impossible to segregate, as there is a very thin line separating them. But the homemaker, the professional can be a homemaker and is a homemaker, but the homemaker has chosen not to be a professional. But unfortunately, a homemaker, alias a housewife, has been taken for granted for too long. So the purpose of this webinar is to try our best to give them their due. Despite being talented, certain women have joyously dared to choose the challenge of a homemaker than to any lucrative jobs. Her role is equally formidable, demanding, strenuous, grueling, testing, and taxing. Yet, at the same time, stretching, exciting, stimulating, inspiring, and energizing. But mind you, theirs is not always a bed of roses. They too have their share of thorns, sometimes very piercing. They take charge of the mental, physical, vital, and spiritual education of their children. And also the man, the ruler of the family, has to be taken care of equally carefully and cautiously, lest there might be a slip somewhere, which the homemaker knows too well. Sometimes they are mistaken as someone who lacks agency. But why is it so? Is it the onslaught of feminism? A homemaker can be a great role model, even though she is not a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, or a CEO. Yet, she can teach the priceless value of sacrifice, about the uncertainties of life and hardships. Overcoming the traditional mindset, women today are standing tall and working towards shouldering responsibilities with men in all fields. A noticeable desire has paved their way in the
Abha, something happened. Yeah.
quiet mother at home. And unassuming homemaker who has stood by firmly with her children, breaking the glass ceiling. Women have proven their skills, for which again, it is the supporting pillar of the woman at home. Technically speaking, women today have redefined homemaking. This new age homemakers who have excelled in the perpetual roles of managing house finances, beautifying their homes, saving a little sum from monthly bills, they have inculcated in their children these attributes of the art to manage finance departments away from home, to designing homes for all, to charting profits through sales and marketing. The corporate world has changed because of these people who have been thoroughly nurtured by women, the homemaker at home. Being a strong woman, she has taught them the willingness to take risks, surpassing expectation to get the work done, be it household chores or professional fronts. The homemaker has made it possible for them to prove themselves to be leaders in multitasking and balance in life. The woman today holds her head high and has entered into the arena where angels no longer tread to fear. The men too have faced challenges and roughed it out bravely. How was this possible? All because of the warmth of the lap and the strong, sturdy shoulders of the housemaker. Before I take a leave, I would like to say I respect all the working mothers out there. But I would also say, let us not underestimate the woman taking care of the hearth, who, making sacrifices for their children, are equally inspirational. They may not be able to show you the world, but they will certainly create a situation where the loving, precious can do so. So I challenge you all, pull out your apron and wear it with pride. Be the best you can, the maker. And of course, on the lighter vein, I would like to suggest a homemaker has no gender. They can be a woman, a man, and the other. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I think it was the perfect choice of our club to select you to read out the purpose of this webinar. You exactly defined the homemaker. Yeah. You exactly did the best. Thank you. Thank you. So now I'd request our graceful and radiant project coordinator, Lopamudra Mishra, to introduce our keynote speaker, I esteemed Her Highness, Srimati Rashmi Bhanjdev, to the August gathering.
Greetings to all of you. I feel extremely privileged to be able to talk about Her Highness Rashmi Rajya Lakshmi Bhanjdev at such an esteemed platform. The contributions that she has made to our society will forever immortalize her name in Odia history. A brief introduction about her. She belongs to Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. She completed her schooling from St. Mary's Convent, Ajmer. Later on, she got her diploma from London Montessori. She then got married in the royal Mayurbhanj family. She was always interested in the field of education, especially educating the underprivileged people of our society. Therefore, to tackle the lack of service and to cater to the educational need of the poor, she along with one of her friends started Ek Prayas in Kolkata. Ek Prayas is a school for slum children. The school has been doing the needful for over 16 years now, and currently they are teaching over 200 plus students. Even a queen needs to look after her family and their well-being. She has 3 daughters and 2 grandsons. Her daughters along with her created the Belgaria Palace as a homestay to create a platform to encourage and support our local artists and artisans. They are also involved in supporting and propagating the culture by creating awareness about Chau dance, Sabai grass centers and Dokra artists. After all, like mother, like daughter. She should be an inspiration to us all. She inspires to contribute to our society and to strive to propagate our culture. We just do something every day to help not only our peers but also the needy and the poor. Yes, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lopamudra Mishra. Madam, you are an epitome of grace. It is an honor that you are with us and have given your consent to be a revered speaker. We really are obliged. I request audience, your queries are welcome, and please put your questions in chat box. The session is all yours, esteemed speaker. We all look forward for your deliberation. Now, Abhishek, you can please focus on, yeah.
Namaskar everyone. Thank you for having me over. I haven't worked with Inner Wheel Bhubaneswar, but with Ek Prayas, I have worked at the Inner Club of Kolkata, and I think all you people are doing amazing work. So I think I should start with the fact that about the topic, about being a homemaker. As one of the speakers said, that I truly believe that a homemaker and a professional woman, they are the 2 sides of the same coin. In Sanskrit, the word for a homemaker is grahani, means every house is a rini to the homemaker. I do not think a home or a society can exist without the women who work and fend for their children. Times have changed. People who, women or the families who live in metros, the expenses are high. So many times women take to becoming professionals to support their family, to provide a better education to their children, better lifestyle to the family. Also, I feel whereas in rural areas, many women may not become professional. But as I have been associated and doing a lot of groundwork in Mayurbhanj, I feel at least in the villages, all the women are actually the bread earners for the family. They are the women are the ones who go and tow the fields. They are the women who look after the children. They are the women who are looking after all the sabai grass or any other handicraft that is happening in Mayurbhanj. And vis-a-vis men, I feel the contribution to a family is more of a woman. At least I would say that for Mayurbhanj. I'm not aware of, I wouldn't be able to speak so point about the district Orissa. Also feel many professionals feel makers, the ones who are professionals, they are because they get more or they may be able to earn more. But many times I have a lot of professional friends who feel that homemakers are better because they're able to give guidance to our family there with them. You see to grow up so, and it's professional time, years just fly by. And you don't realize that your children are so big now that you've actually missed out on so much of their growing years. So, but that's just a point, my point. And as one of the speakers said, all due respect to all professionals, I personally also feel it's amazing that how a woman can handle a professional life plus the life at home, because whatever said and done, even if you are governor or a prime minister or an MP or any person, but if you are a woman, you come back, you still have to look into all the needs of the house. The children will be waiting for you, your in-laws are waiting for you, all the things that have to be, like, people will still expect that from you because you are a woman of the house. And like I have 3 daughters and I've grown them to stand on their own feet. So I feel they are professional in their own ways. Tomorrow get married, and whether they decide to continue to be professional or just be homemakers is a choice. But I feel a lot of people like me feel that even if you have daughters, you have to educate them, you have to give them the skills so that they're able to stand on their own feet, make a living. Tomorrow required, they can join professional lines. If not, it is up to them, depending like how they decide to take things. And what else should I say? Even like many a times I feel professional people have a lot of issues, like today, considering that many families who are living in metros are living as single families. The in-laws don't live with them. So even you cannot leave your children behind with a maid or a helper, because you see of such drastic stories that you hear about harassment and things like that. So many a times I feel being a homemaker, at least if you have children in the house, it becomes a better option. And many a time, many professionals also give up their careers to be able to spend time with their children, because there is nobody at home to look after the child. So that is my take on it. And I feel, I like you said, one more point I'd like to add, that there are 2 types of women professionals. One are professionals, one are homemakers, and one I think are people like inner wheel women who are giving their time so selflessly to a cause in the society. Y'all are also like a different category, and like many times people don't get recognition for what they do. I guess if you work under a big banner like Inner Wheel, you all do get your recognition. But there may be so many people who are working in NGOs, trying to come out in society to support people and actually doing a selfless work without expecting any name, fame, or anything like that. I think that's the category of women that we have in the society. And I feel for the society to grow, women plays a very, very important role, and they are a very pillar of the society. Like they say, if you, in my school, we believe that if you educate a girl, you're actually educating a society. So it's all the things that we can do for a girl in their support, we must do. And I think a debate on whether a homemaker is better or a professional is better will be very, I think it will not reach any end, because I think like one of the speakers said, it is actually two sides of the same coin. So, you know, whether you're a professional, you are still a homemaker. You cannot be just a professional and not a homemaker. But yes, many a times, it has come to the view that homemakers are not getting the due respect, maybe in the families or outside also. But one thing I'd like to add to that is, many a times you have to learn to respect your own self before you expect others to respect you. Like when you go to fill a form and you say, I'm just a homemaker, you're already, I feel, putting yourself down vis-a-vis other people. So I think if you yourself learn to respect the fact that yes, I am a homemaker, but that itself is like a big job. I'm a cook, a cleaner, a caretaker, a doctor, because we are giving medicines to our children too. Like you fill in so many issues. That is my personal take on this, on being called a homemaker. And maybe because we come from the Kshatriya family, we got that people, and nothing should stop us from. Hello, can you hear me?
Exactly, we can hear you. Your net is a little bit slow, but still we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so like growing up, because I come from a Kshatriya family, women were always taught that we are warriors, and we come from a warrior clan, and it was never that women are anywhere less than men. And at least in Rajasthan, there are examples that the women have fought equally with the men and things like that. So when I have never felt that we are less than men in any way. Our roles in society could be different, but women as a homemaker are equally important. And I have grown my daughters also in the same way, that they are no less than being boys, and they can do everything and anything that is required to, you know, stand on your own feet, earn your own money and things like that. So that's all I'd like to say to all of you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Any questions? There's an open session for all. So any question anybody wants to, they can raise their hand, unmute themselves. Abhishek, please keep them on. If they want, they can unmute themselves and ask any questions regarding this subject. We can have a debate platform here. Because anyhow, we are special. Homemakers are always special.
Always.
So anybody wants to ask any questions regarding this? Any questions in the chat box? I don't think there's much debate about it. So should we go to the next part of the agenda? Okay. So Mr. Chairman, do you have anything to say about it? Or should we go to the next part of the agenda? Yeah,
Yes,
there's a
we can
question.
go to the next part of the
Yeah,
agenda.
there's
I think one question is, Neha has asked something.
yeah. So, hello. The question is, what issues have you faced personally?
Question you can.
Yeah. I'll ask the question. Yeah, ma'am, there's a question. What issues
Yeah.
have you faced personally as a homemaker? A president, he wants to ask.
As a homemaker, personal issues.
Yeah.
So I would say a lot of issues, because considering that I came from Rajasthan, so from Rajasthan to Orissa, there was a drastic change. like weather, climate, Khaibar, and means Rajasthan is such a dry area, and Mayurbhanj is like green, like I don't like nature's blessed it with greenery, and ette rakam sago achi, ette rakam Khaibar achi. And to top it all, I'm a vegetarian by choice. My in-laws are hardcore non-vegetarians. So Khaibar and all was really an issue, ma'am. Even language was a big issue. If you're not from this part of the country, language sounds alien to you, like coming from Rajasthan. And I mean, those were the simple issues that I faced over here, yes.
Okay.
And yes, even when I wanted to start my school, my in-laws' main concern was that will you be able to look after your home and the children while you step out to work, you know. So I said, yes, I will be able to balance the two, you know, so that way.
So that is in every house, be it in the royal house, be it in the normal house. That's the question.
Definitely.
From all families.
Definitely.
So there's the next question coming up. Who is greater, a homemaker or a working woman?
I would say it's a balance, you know, because honestly speaking, I have never felt that, like I say, I never say I'm just a homemaker. I say proudly that I am a homemaker because I'm looking into so many things, you know, and at the same time, what is not professional, I'm looking into my accounts, I pay my taxes, I pay bills. So what is it that professionally I'm not able to do? Yes, I don't have a 9-to-5 job and I may not have a salary, but besides that, you know, like everything else we are managing at home, you know. So I'm proud to be a homemaker.
Okay. Please, Abhishek, would you please unmute Nalini Mahanti ji, zonal coordinator. She wants to ask something personally. Yeah. Please
Good
unmute.
evening, madam.
Namaskar.
Can I tell in Odia? Can I
Yes,
speak in
surely.
Odia?
Please.
Madam,
go
ମୁଁ
on.
ଜଣେ homemaker.
Right.
ମୋର married 45 years ହେଇଗଲାଣି. As a
Right.
homemaker, ମୁଁ ମୋର ଛୁଆଙ୍କୁ ନିଜେ ପାଠ ପଢେଇଛି. ମୁଁ ତା ପାଇଁ tuition ର ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିନି. Okay. ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ସବୁ କେୟାର ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ନେଇଛି. ଇଭେନ୍ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ କରିକିରି ମୋ ଛୁଆଙ୍କୁ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପିନ୍ଧେଇଛି.
Correct.
ମୋର ଆଇରନ୍ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲୋକ ରଖିନି, ମେଡ୍ ରଖିନି, ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟ ରଖିନି. ତାମାନେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ର ବହୁତ ପଇସାକୁ ମୁଁ ସେଭ୍ କରିଛି.
Definitely.
ଏବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍କିଂ ଲେଡି ଯେତେବେଳେ ୱାର୍କ କରୁଛି, ଇନକମ୍ କରୁଛି, ସେ ସବୁଥିରେ ତାର ଏକ୍ସପେନ୍ସନ ଅଧିକା ଅଛି. କାରଣ ଛୁଆଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆୟା ରଖିଲା ଏବଂ ଟ୍ୟୁଟର ରଖିଲା, ଘରେ ମେଡ୍ ରଖିଲା, ଘରେ କୁକ୍ ରଖିଲା, ସବୁ ରଖିଲା. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ହୋମ ମେକର ମାନେ ଆମେ ସେ ସବୁ କିଛି ରଖୁନୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ସାଲାରୀ ବି ପାଉନୁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ. ଆମେ ସାଲାରୀ ବି ପାଉନୁ. ଆମେ ଯାହା ବି କରିବା କଥା ଆମେ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛୁ. ଦେନ୍ ମୋର କହିବାର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ yes madam.
ମତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆମର ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି ଏଟା ଟିକେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ କନସିଡର କରିବାର କଥା કે मतलब ठीक अच्छी सैलरी अपन पाउन नहीं किंतु अपन को सेटकी रेस्पेक्ट छुआ मन को भी और हस्बैंड को भी देबार कथा. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड किंती हे जाए कि प्रोफेशनल जब काम होची टिके अलगा आउटलुक हे जाए. होममेकर पाई अच्छी ठीक अच्छी ना आजी नहीं तुमको अपन को जे दरकार है ने कोई भी आजी नहीं ठीक अच्छी काली नहीं लेबा केने अपन तो घर रे रहो.
they are giving love, affection and prestige, everything to me.
Correct.
My husband is very good person. My one daughter and one son is very good.
Right.
Madam, they are giving me everything. But what is the difference between a homemaker and a working lady? My point is that.
तो मैम आपन जे कामो करू छन सेटा माने तो बाहरे जाई करी भी आपन एही कामो करने आपन बहुत सैलरी पाई थाते. You could have been a very good teacher. You could have started been a business woman. केने आपन एते बहुत टाइम मैनेजमेंट करू छन. टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं करने किछि भी करी पारिबे नहीं. तो अपन विदाउट गोइंग टू अ MBA स्कूल अपन घर बसी करी एते बहुत टाइम मैनेजमेंट करू छन. एटा अपन को चॉइस हैला कि अपन प्रोफेशनल लाइन ता धर ले नहीं. You decided to stay a homemaker. तो मते लागुची माने how will I explain the difference? It is like, I think it was a choice. Mane apan bahare jai kari bhi, if you had done the same thing, apan hath rehte tonka pai thante. And as a homemaker, you are able to save that much money for your family.
Madam, in my view, we are saving so many, we are saving money of our husband. Doing all the work.
Correct. I agree.
We are saving the money. But a working lady is not saving
Definitely.
her money or her husband money also.
Correct.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. There's an
Thank you.
appreciation from Sangeeta InfoCity, Innovil Club of InfoCity Bhubaneswar's president. As women, we know that our profession as homemaker is unparalleled. These kind of webinars should be held among the male fraternity, example Rotary clubs. It is the other gender to understand. So that's her take. So I think
Right.
for all. Yeah. Thank you so much. So there's any more questions? I think there's okay. A lady is a homemaker and also working lady. What you called her? So I don't think there's any question as such. So this is some topic. It is very close to our heart, and we need not debate about this. And we are proud to be homemakers as well as we are everything. So it's not only from homemakers. So it's the same thing. So should we go to the next agenda? Yeah. Thank you so much for
Yes.
the declaration. So I express my heartiest gratitude to Her Highness. We are overwhelmed by your deliberation. There is much to learn in life, and I'm really grateful to our club, sincere seniors, who guided me to carry on this webinar with such enthusiasm. The way you explain this topic is exemplary, ma'am. Thank you. So not only homemakers, in any profession, girls, ladies always are targets to all types of inhuman acts. So we all would think to empower women, giving them a stand to fight back and not be a victim of the society. We have tried to exhibit in a performance on Pandit Harivansh Rai Bachchan's poem enacted by Divyangini Rath. Abhishek, would you please play the video?
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझ न इनको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझ न इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि लें परीक्षा तेरी, कि लें परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा तो खुद की खोज में निकल। तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request a sensible and humorous member, Sanjukta Sahu, to please introduce our guest, District Chairman, to the August gathering. Abhishek, would you please?
Good evening, everybody. It is my proud privilege to introduce our 36th District Chairman, Mrs. Inna Purohit, a proficient scholar of Innerville District 3 to 6. No wonder a lady full of new challenges, new hopes, new targets, and odds to fulfill them all. This pandemic could not stop her from moving ahead, but made her leadership while it bloom and expand the horizon of friendship and service. Our theme, Lead the Change, was a motivation to achieve more. She has created history by presenting each event virtually and creating records. District Project Udan, एक नई दुनिया की ओर, is a challenge for all of us members to keep our spirit live and encourage to reach some higher level. The wheel is moving, and so she is, and to have passion and objective of inner will in mind, she is proving her own determination by focusing. If you can dream, we can do it. But the mantras of 5 P's to be followed with dreams. That is, proper planning prevents poor performance. With such creative thought, I welcome District Chairman Mrs. Inna Purohit. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's our utmost pleasure you consented and gave your schedule for this event. Now the focus on a dynamic media partner to focus on a leader of District 326. This is Ina Purohit.
Thank you, Laura. Club President Laura Mitra Rath, Club Secretary Puspa Jarani ji, guest speaker of today, Her Highness Madam Bhanjdev ji, Club Councillor, past District Chairman Pratibha Patnaik ji, my dear fellow District Executive Committee members, past District Chairman, present, all the presidents of other Innerville clubs, all the Innerville members, Rotary President of Rotary Club of Cuttack, Rotarians and Innerville members present over here. Innerville Namaskar to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate Laura Mitra Rath, President Laura Mitra Rath, for choosing such a beautiful topic. Actually, today is World Mental Health Day, and yesterday we were talking about mental health of women, and today we are talking on such a related topic, homemaker. Homemaker, जो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं गृहिणी. गृहिणी हम किसे बोलते हैं? सारा घर जिसकी ऋणी वही होती है गृहिणी. तो जैसे अभी हमारा डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन होम मेकर एंड अ प्रोफेशनल वुमन. as madam said, yes, both are the two sides of a coin. हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि होम मेकर ही ज्यादा वो suppressed है या फिर जो प्रोफेशनल है वो suppressed है. Even I don't agree with the version of Nalini madam ji that homemaker can only save the money of their husbands and the professionals cannot. It's not like that. It depends on the choices actually. If you have the choice to live a life in a liberally, then they go for the choice of taking the help of others, or else even I have seen professionals doing their jobs and coming home and they're managing home very nicely. Both the things they do very nicely, and simultaneously they add money to their to the income of their husbands also. So it's not like that. But homemakers, yes, jaise madam bole, they are one of the most efficient managers. हम पढ़ाई करते हैं MBA की, बट बिन पढ़ाई वो काफी अच्छे मैनेजर्स हैं जो घर को बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैनेज करते हैं. And I must congratulate the performance of Dibyangani. Congratulations, beta. Very nicely, very aptly you expressed the thought of a homemaker through the poetry of Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji. And once again, congratulations. And I forgot to mention webinar chairman Abha. You said very right. Abha Kanangoji, you said very rightly, very well spoken words. And congratulations once again to all the members of Innoville Club of Cuttack for choosing such a nice topic to be discussed today. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, ma'am. This was my dream. This was my dream. I must mention a deep sense of appreciation for your presence in the webinar. We acknowledge your gracious presence. It is always a pleasure to listen to you and your motivational speech. We always are inspired by your great words and value. Thank you. Now, token of appreciation. Abhishek, would you please? In order to appreciate your presence, we would love to show you a token of appreciation. Innoville Club of Cuttack pledges to plant 10 plantain trees at Mamta Short Stay Home, a destitute home of 50 girl inmates. And we have already started doing the project. So Abhishek, this is the photos. So already 10 plantain trees are started. We have given them, and we will do it more with them also. They have a good place to put fruit.
Thank you so much, Laura.
Yeah, thank you so much. Innoville Club of Cuttack pledges to empower 2 girl inmates of Mamta Short Stay Home as dedicated to Madam Mrs. Rashmi Rajya Lakshmi Bhanjdeo. It will be empowering 2 girl inmates of Mamta Short Stay Home with materials, cloth materials, so that they stitch cloth bags and we members would gladly buy from them and empower them. So we have already done the project. Would you please show the photos? Yeah, these 2 girls, they'll be supplied with clothes, money and whatever, so that they make bags and we members will gladly buy them from them. So, madam,
Very
this
nice
is for you.
gesture.
That's a plate. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I request a club charter member, dynamic and vibrant past president, Mrs. Nirupama Shau, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, President Laura Mitra. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you, President Laura Mitra. During this pandemic, it is an excellent effort done by our club members, led by our President Laura Mitra. On this occasion, we sincerely thank the keynote speaker, Mrs. Rashmi Bhanjdeo, for a nice deliberation on homemaker. On behalf of our club, I would like to thank our district chairman, Mrs. Ina Purohit, who has been always a great support for all of us. And she has spent her valuable time for this webinar. We also thank all the district officers and all the Innoville sisters from different clubs who are present over here. I also thank the Innoville sisters who have supported and participated in this webinar. I, on behalf of our club, thank the Rotarians who have joined and support the webinars. Here we thank our media partner, Abhishek Studio, for nicely coordinating today's proceedings. Once again, I thank everybody who have associated in this endeavor. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, I request our club ISO Ritimutta Patnaik to please honor our webinar by reciting national anthem. I would like everyone to stand up. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Thank you, Diki. Just before ending up, I need to thank you all past district chairmen. Thank you once again to all dignitaries of Innerville clubs, family, friends, Rotarians who joined and whose presence made this webinar a success. I'm so overwhelmed that there was a saying in District 326 this year: if we can dream, we can do it. And this is the solution of the thing. So lastly, this is my dream webinar, and with Almighty blessing, I could do this with the team of Innerville Clubs of Cuttack. I heartily thank each member for your presence. I heartily thank every past district chairman, our first gentleman of District 326, and every Rotarians, family, friends who could join them and make this webinar successful. Thank you so much. The meeting is adjourned.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Laura.
Thank you so much. Rashmi ma'am, thank you so much. Are you there?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me
Thank
on
you
your
so
meeting.
much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you, Madam Bhanjadev, for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was nice hearing you. It was nice hearing
In case any one of you all are coming to Baripada, Mayurbhanj, do let me know. Come and visit me. It will be really nice. I look forward to meeting you all.
Sure, sure. Definitely we'll visit you once.
Definitely. Sure, ma'am. My pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. So we'll take a leave now. Abhishek, would you please?
Yeah. Thank you, Laura. I'd like to take a leave also. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Abhishek, we can leave now.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I close the meeting?